Meaning of enormously.
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 Enormously. The word enormously is an adverb used to describe something that is exceptionally large or great in size, amount, or degree. When something is described as enormously, it means that it is significantly greater than what is usual or expected. For example, an enormously successful business has achieved exceptional levels of growth and profitability. Enormous storms or floods have a devastating impact on the affected areas, causing extensive damage and loss of life. Overall, enormously is a powerful word that denotes something that is significant, substantial, and impactful.